I'm Andy Goodwin, the Business Development Manager for the City of Thomasville. And in 2018-19, we saw a growing need for EV stations in Thomasville. We saw a lot more customers, a lot more vehicles throughout town. Having these chargers here in our downtown just allows for those customers to plug in and go shopping downtown. So they're a great tool for business travel and tourism. Now, you turn on the news and everything is EV charge station, EV charge stations. Well, we wanted to get ahead of that like we normally do in Thomasville. These charge stations are they've been a great guinea pig for us and for our commercial customers as they move forward with their utility infrastructure needs. And you'll see more of them in our downtown, more of them at our commercial locations over the years. It's been a great product for us, and it's been a great asset for our customers, most importantly. And I think they appreciate them.